Here we have two different types of electrical wiring diagrams. This one over here is called a ladder diagram. This one over here is called a line diagram. The main difference is, ladder diagram, you can see it kind of looks like a ladder, and you have the line voltage usually on the top. Sometimes it's displayed like this. Sometimes you have one line here and one line here, and then all the components in between. And it's very easy to see what the components are powered by. For example, here you have your IDM, which that is one thing about electrical wiring diagrams. You always have a diagram and then you have a legend down here. So if there's things that you don't know, like IDM, you go down here, indoor motor. You can always refer to the legend down here. Also, usually here you have very important notes. So I would always look at the diagram, look at the notes, look at the legend to get familiar with that specific schematic. And then over here you have your line diagram, which is more in depth. It shows you all the components, but it shows more of the wiring. And you can see you have your smoke detector, your thermostat, condensate overflow. So this is basically all the wires that you have in the circuit. So this is more complex, but this gives you a full overview of what everything is. And then also here you have your description, CC1, compressor contactor, for example, and you have your notes. So always look at those. One thing on wiring diagrams that is good to know is you have these solid lines, and when they're crossing, you sometimes have this black dot. The black dot means that the wires are connected. If they're just crossing each other, like over here, there is no dot, it means that they are not connected. That's the beginning of introduction to electrical wiring diagrams. Let me know if this helps. Let me know if it makes sense. Let me know what you don't understand, what you want to know more of, so I can tailor make the videos for what you actually need. Thank you very much. Have a good day.